Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our last episode of the mock test. It is the fifth one that I'm doing. As I've been requested to. My apologies for not posting the fifth one sooner, but this is the last of the 5 mock tests. Okay, so we'll get started now.
Why should you check for motorcyclists just before turning right into a side road? They may be overtaking on your left. They may be following you closely. They may be emerging from the side road. They may be overtaking on your right. What color are the reflective studs along the left-hand edge of the motorway? Green, amber, red, white. You're traveling on a single carriageway road. Why should you keep well back while you're following a large vehicle? To give yourself acceleration space if you decide to overtake. To get the best view of the road ahead. To leave a gap in case the vehicle stops and rolls back. To offer other drivers a safe gap if they want to overtake you. What does this sign mean? Direction to park and ride car park. No parking for buses or coaches. Direction to bus and coach park. Parking area for cars and coaches. A driver's behavior has upset you. How can you get over this incident safely? Stop and take a break. Shout abusive language. Gesture to them with your hand. Follow them, flashing your headlights. What might you expect to happen in this situation? Traffic will move into the right-hand lane. Traffic speed will increase. Traffic will move into the left-hand lane. Traffic will not need to change position. You're driving past a line of parked cars. What should you do if a ball bounces out into the road ahead? Continue driving at the same speed and sound your horn. Continue driving at the same speed and flash your headlights. Slow down and be prepared to stop for children. Stop and wave the children across to fetch their ball. What's the meaning of this sign? Local speed limit applies. No waiting on the carriageway. National speed limit applies. No entry for vehicles. You're in the right-hand lane of a 3-lane motorway. What do these overhead signs mean? Move to the left and reduce your speed to 50 miles per hour. There are roadworks 50 meters, 55 yards, ahead. Use the hard shoulder until you've passed the hazard. Leave the motorway at the next exit. When may a passenger travel in a car without wearing a seat belt? When they're under 14 years old. When they're under 1.5 meters, 5 feet, in height. When they're sitting in the rear seat. When they're exempt for medical reasons. What should you do if it's raining and you're following this lorry on a motorway? Allow a 2-second separation gap. Switch your headlights onto main beam. Move into a lane that has less spray. Be aware of spray reducing your vision. What should the driver of the grey car be especially aware of? The uneven road surface. Traffic following behind. Doors opening on parked cars. Empty parking spaces. Why should you reduce your speed when you're driving or riding in fog? The brakes do not work as well. You'll be dazzled by other headlights. The engine will take longer to warm up. It's more difficult to see what's ahead. Which Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS, is designed to actively prevent collisions? Automotive night vision. Driver drowsiness detection. Advanced emergency braking system. Cruise control. You're following a lorry on a wet road. What should you do when spray makes it difficult to see the road ahead? Drop back until you can see better. Put your headlights on full beam. Keep close to the lorry, away from the spray. speed up and overtake quickly. What color are the reflective studs between the hard shoulder and the left-hand lane of a motorway? Green, red, white, amber. There are no speed limit signs on the road. In England, Scotland and Northern Ireland, how is a 30 miles per hour limit generally indicated? By hazard warning lights, by street lighting, by pedestrian islands, by double or single yellow lines. What does it mean if this light comes on while you're driving? A fault in the braking system. The engine oil is low. A rear light has failed. Your seat belt is not fastened. Your vehicle broke down on the hard shoulder of a motorway, but has now been repaired. How should you rejoin a main carriageway? Move out onto the carriageway, then build up your speed. Move out onto the carriageway using your hazard warning lights. Gain speed on the hard shoulder before moving out onto the carriageway. Wait on the hard shoulder until someone flashes their headlights at you. You're traveling along a motorway. Where would you find a crawler or climbing lane? On a steep gradient. Before a service area. Before a junction. Along the hard shoulder. What should you do as you approach this overhead bridge? Move out to the center of the road before going through. Find another route. This one is only for high vehicles. Be prepared to give way to large vehicles in the middle of the road. Move across to the right-hand side before going through. You're about to drive home. What should you do if you feel very tired and have a severe headache? Wait until you're fit and well before driving. Drive home, but take a tablet for headaches. Drive home if you can stay awake for the journey. Wait for a short time, then drive home slowly. You're going through a long tunnel. What will warn you of congestion or an incident ahead? Hazard warning lights. Other drivers flashing their lights. Variable message signs. Areas with hatch markings. Which sign means that pedestrians may be walking along the road. You arrive at the scene of an incident. You see a casualty who's not moving. What should you do first? Check if it's safe to approach the casualty. Begin cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR. Start looking for a defibrillator, AED. Move the casualty into the recovery position.
You say casualty is not moving. What should you do? Check if it's safe to approach the casualty. You don't want to be the second casualty, so make sure it is safe before you join. That's the correct answer. Sorry, I kept quiet for a long time, but I thought that let me explain that further.
What's a rumble device designed to do? Give directions. Prevent cattle escaping. Alert you to low tire pressure. Alert you to a hazard. You're traveling on the motorway. How can you lower the risk of a collision when the vehicle behind is following too closely? Increase your distance from the vehicle in front. Brake sharply. Switch on your hazard warning lights. Move onto the hard shoulder and stop. Do you need to plan rest stops when you're planning a long journey? Yes, you should plan to stop every half an hour. Yes, regular stops help concentration. No, you'll be less tired if you get there as soon as possible. No, only fuel stops will be needed. What does this line across the road at the entrance to a roundabout mean? Give way to traffic from the right. Traffic from the left has right of way. You have right of way. Stop at the line. What should you do if your anti-lock braking system, ABS, warning light stays on? Check the brake fluid level. Check the foot brake free play. Check that the parking brake is released. Have the brakes checked immediately. What does this sign mean? You have priority. No motor vehicles. Two-way traffic. No overtaking. What should you do as you approach this cyclist? Try to overtake before the cyclist gets to the junction. Flash your headlights at the cyclist. Slow down and allow the cyclist to turn. Reverend your engine so the cyclist knows you're following behind. You're going to tow a trailer that's wider than your car. What must you fit to your car before you start towing it? Exterior towing mirrors, projection markers, parking sensors, rear view camera. Which driving technique can help you save fuel? Using lower gears as often as possible. Accelerating sharply in each gear. Using each gear in turn. Missing out some gears. What does this sign mean? Give way to oncoming vehicles. Approaching traffic passes you on both sides. Turn off at the next available junction. Pass either side to get to the same destination. You're traveling in the left-hand lane of a 3-lane motorway. How should you react to traffic joining from a slip road? Increase your speed to make sure they join behind you. Adjust your speed or change lane if you can do so safely. Maintain a steady speed. Switch on your hazard warning lights. What do the long white lines along the center of the road mean? Bus lane. Hazard warning. Give way. Lane marking. In England, Scotland and Northern Ireland, what will the speed limit usually be where you can see street lights but no speed limit signs? 30 miles per hour. 40 miles per hour. 50 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour. What should you do if you're being followed by an ambulance showing flashing blue lights? Pull over as soon as it's safe to do so. Accelerate hard to get away from it. Maintain your speed and course. Brake harshly and stop well out into the road. Which plate may appear with this road sign? Why should you never wave people across at pedestrian crossings? Another vehicle may be coming. They may not be looking. It's safer for you to carry on. They may not be ready to cross.
So why should you never wave people across a pedestrian crossing? Okay, so this is a good answer. Another vehicle may be coming. That's often the answer. They may not be looking. That may make sense, but it's not correct. It's safer for you to move, to carry on. That also is not correct. So another vehicle may be coming. That's a good answer. They may not be ready to cross. Okay, now this sounds a lot more. This carries more weight, let me put it that way. Carries much more weight than another vehicle may be coming. It is true. That's a correct answer on another occasion. Without this answer here, we choose that one. They may not be ready to cross. That's a good one. That's what I'm going to choose for now, okay? It carries, make more sense, or carries higher, or it's deeper in meaning than this one here. Another vehicle may be coming. If this one is not here, the one we just selected is not here, I would have gone for another vehicle may be coming. Okay, now because these two have eliminated them, so that's fine. I'm not going to think of these two, but this and this, but I'm going to take, they may not be ready to cross. That's what I'm going to choose.
What will happen if you use rear fog lights in good conditions? They'll make it safer when towing a trailer. They'll protect you from larger vehicles. They'll dazzle other drivers. They'll make drivers behind keep back. What should you be aware of if you've just passed this sign? This is a single track road. You cannot stop on this road. Only one lane is in use. All traffic is going one way. You are on a motorway. What does it mean when a mandatory speed limit is displayed above the hard shoulder? You should not travel in this lane. The hard shoulder can be used as a running lane. You can park on the hard shoulder if you feel tired. You can pull up in this lane to answer a mobile phone. You are approaching a roundabout. What should you do if a cyclist ahead is signaling to turn right? Overtake on the right. Give a warning with your horn. Signal the cyclist to move across. Give the cyclist plenty of room. What's the national speed limit on motorways for cars and motorcycles? 30 miles per hour. 50 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour. 70 miles per hour. What would you do if you see older people crossing the road ahead? Wave them across so they know that you've seen them. Be patient and allow them to cross in their own time. Rever in the engine to let them know that you're waiting. Tap the horn in case they're hard of hearing. What do the lines along the center of the road mean? No stopping. No overtaking. They mark the center of the road. There's a hazard ahead. You want to overtake the tractor. What should you do? Speed up and overtake before you get to the bend. Stay behind and wait until you have a clear view. Overtake straight after the oncoming car passes. Sound your horn and make the tractor pull over. Why has the tractor got flashing amber lights? To warn you it's a slow-moving vehicle. To warn you it is a wide load. To tell you not to overtake. To warn you it's breaking down.
Okay, so we've answered all of them. We have not flagged any question. Right, so here's the test, and then let's see the results. Well, we got 2 wrong. Okay, so let's see what we got wrong. View results. Right, so the ADA designed to activate prevent collision is advanced emergency braking. Oh yes. Yes. Okay, I got that wrong. Okay, once again. Okay, let's go to the other one that I got wrong. Which one did I get wrong? Is it the one I was debating on? Right, why should you never wave people off? Right, okay. So those are the 2 I got wrong. So another vehicle may be coming is the correct answer. Okay, so once again, also highlights the fact that we can still get things wrong, but because you've gone through the questions or the question bank, you still got a higher mark. Okay, so 48 is still a pass. Okay, the pass mark is 43, so if you get 48, it's still a good mark. So don't be disappointed for not scoring 50 out of 50. 48 out of 50 is still good. 43 is a minimum score. So, and well done if you got the correct answers and I got it wrong. Okay, so thank you for being here with me. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.